I am constantly having to talk to women who have given birth and been moved from our states of Georgia, Florida, and South Carolina to Utah and coerced into making an adoption plan.
During a legislative hearing on adoption in Utah, Georgia adoption attorney Carrie Murray Nellis joined virtually to call on lawmakers thousands of miles away to change the laws here.
I have seen this type of story over and over again, and I am asking for Utah to stop this madness.
The Salt Lake City airport is smoke-free.
To stop having women be traveling to Utah as a destination adoption.
I'm Fox 13 investigative reporter Taylor Stevens. Earlier this week, we told you about how Utah's loose adoption laws have led the state to become a destination for adoption tourism, with pregnant women and adoptive families traveling from all over the country to come here.
So let me ask this, in your experience, what percentage of the birth mothers are coming to Utah from out of state?
About 25% of the women that we work with will need to relocate someplace.
As the legislature considers changes to Utah's laws, others at the hearing, which was added to the agenda at the last minute Wednesday, pushed back on claims made by reform advocates, including that payments to birth mothers for pregnancy expenses are coercive.
No birth mom is ever told that they have to pay any family back if they decide to parent their child. That does not happen.
They have to sign this form, and it specifically says that they request help with reasonable adoption-related expenses permitted by law. You are under no obligation to place your child for adoption or repay financial support received if you decide not to complete your adoption plan.
And that women recruited here for adoptions from other states may not understand Utah's laws, noting that agencies are required under state law to read birth mothers a document informing them of their rights.
To say they don't understand their rights, they're wrong.
Agencies are very sensitive about when the birth mother signs relinquishment forms. She must be free of medications, must understand the documents, determine that she doesn't feel any coercion, and recognize the finality of it. These things are thoroughly and sensitively explained.
Thank you.
Utah lawmakers didn't make any decisions at this hearing and offered very little commentary, but are expected to consider this issue at next year's legislative session. At the state capitol, Taylor Stevens, Fox 13 News, Utah.